An eruption that left everyone stunned. A volcano that's been silent for 12,000 years suddenly erupts. On the 23rd of November, Ethiopia's highly active volcano erupted after a long inactivity, shaking the ground beneath you, sending ash clouds into the sky, and spewing lava across the landscape. The Hayli Gubbi volcano in Ethiopia just woke up. But why now? And what does this mean for the future? Stick around and we'll break it down. First, let's look at where this happened. The Afar region in Ethiopia, part of the volcanic zone called the Afar Triangle, is known for being super geologically active. It's where three tectonic plates meet, the African, Arabian, and Somali plates. This region is no stranger to earthquakes and volcanoes, but Hayli Gubbi had been completely dormant until now. So, what made it erupt after all this time? The reason behind this eruption lies deep inside the earth. Just a few hours before the eruption, scientists started noticing something strange, a sudden burst of small earthquakes under the Afar region. It was the first real sign that something deep underground was moving. Soon after, satellites from NASA and ESA showed heat building up and the ground starting to swell, confirming that the volcano was waking up after thousands of years. But even now, experts say the situation isn't completely calm. When a volcano that's been silent for so long suddenly erupts, it can stay active for days or even weeks. It might release more ash or even erupt again. Because of this, health officials in Ethiopia and Eritrea are warning people to be careful. The air in some areas is filled with sulfur dioxide and fine ash. So residents are being advised to stay indoors when they can, wear masks, and keep their water and livestock protected from contamination. The eruption caused thick ash to blanket nearby villages, damaging crops, contaminating water sources, and making it difficult for people to breathe. Luckily, no lives were lost, but the damage to the land and local economy will take years to recover. Scientists are keeping a close watch on other volcanic sites to understand more. The ash didn't just stay local either. It traveled over the Red Sea, reaching as far as India and Pakistan, causing flight delays and air quality issues. On the 24th of November, Indian Airlines cancelled some flights after ash plumes and a volcanic eruption in Ethiopia. Volcanic eruptions don't just affect the local area. When a volcano erupts, it sends gases and ash into the atmosphere, which can affect the climate. The ash can block the sun, which cools the earth temporarily. And don't forget about acid rain. It can damage crops and water sources. The eruption of Hayli Gubbi is a reminder that these events can affect the world in ways we don't always think about. Hayli Gubbi's eruption proves that even the quietest volcanoes can suddenly erupt, and we need to be ready for anything. If you found this interesting, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What do you think triggered the eruption? Are there more volcanoes waiting to wake up? Let's talk about it.